Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure your device is unlocked and has enough battery to avoid interruptions. Open Settings and go directly to Security and Privacy or Lock screen. Once there, you'll see Current Lock method listed. This is where you begin changing it. Make sure to have your current PIN, password, or biometric ready, since the system will verify you before allowing changes. If you use a fingerprint, place the finger on the sensor when prompted so verification completes quickly. Once verified, choose the new lock type: PIN, password, pattern, or biometric. You'll be guided to enter it twice to confirm accuracy. Take your time to avoid mistakes. If selecting biometric, enroll one or more fingerprints or facial scans now and test them to ensure reliable recognition. Make sure to adjust auto-lock timing and require unlock on restart if security matters. Once configured, double-check notifications and lock screen shortcuts so you finish by locking the screen and testing the new method multiple times to confirm it works across conditions. Once done, verify emergency access and recovery options like a backup PIN, recovery email, or trusted device are up to date. If you encounter issues, such as biometrics failing, remove and re-enroll the sensor data, or use account recovery to regain access. If you're still locked out, a factory reset may be necessary. Make sure to back up data beforehand.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.